Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your profile on the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Slack app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our channels, direct messages and teammates. Also we have some tips. From here, if we go into the top right corner, we find a little person. We tap on that. Then in the bottom, we find view profile. And here, again at the bottom, we find edit profile. And now we can edit a few details of our profile. We can set a profile picture. We can edit our full name. We can edit our display name, our title, our name pronunciation, our email address, and our phone number. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.